process that we went through in order for us to make profits off of vegetable plants or any other plants you desire. I figured
we're gonna do it.
You can purchase a 50-cent or less pack of seeds, a $3 or less potting mix soil, and pots for at least $1 for 6 of them. You could find any of these products for less, so just keep that in mind. Say you receive 6 seeds in a 50-cent pack of seeds. It's up to you. You could sell each seed for $1, $2, $1.50, $2.50. It depends on your cost on the products. I got my seeds in my potted mix for 50 cents for the seeds, potted mix for $3, and I got 6 pots for $1. I did a little math of the cost. I spent about at least $4.50 on every product I have here. If I sell each seed for $2 for 6 pots, I can make at least $12 out of it. Now, if I put my $12 in our cost of $4.50, we make a profit of $7.50.
Yeah.
Now, you could continue this process. The less the products you buy, the cost of less is better. Okay, you would generate a lot more profit. This the process we pretty much need to start off with in order for us to get started. What I usually like to do is get any seeds you prefer that you like. I'm gonna have my son open the seeds.
Look at me. You see the back, we have these lines. And you do this to the lines.
Oh.
Don't look at that. You do that, you'll probably open up some. Yeah. Yeah, don't do what I'm doing. We'll see.
That should be fine.
Okay.
As long as you could get them out.
You'll see some seeds inside.
Okay, let's see. We're gonna dump them. You could get any kind of Tupperware you prefer.
Yeah, you can put them anywhere. So
you're using just regular paper towel to absorb water.
Yeah, dude.
In order for the plants to
you're using
produce roots.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, you're working. It's gonna work. Okay. You can use your cup. You can use a cup there too. Oh, I see fella.
I think we just lost one.
No, we didn't.
Nope.
I got the voice.
Okay, so we have a total of.
Let me count them. 14.
We have 14 seeds in one pack. So if I sell all 14 seeds for $2 per seed,
They're professionals. They're French.
say $2 per seed, and
Yeah, dude.
that's $28 I will receive for each seed if I can get them to root and to grow.
Don't look at those. Don't look at those.
So say it's 14 seeds. I spent 50 cents on the pack. I got 14 seeds. The potting soil was $3 or less. It depends if you can find them. The dollar store or Dollar General would be your best bet to buy all of these products. You can get any of these products and less. Instead of $3, they could be $1 per bag. It probably won't be as good, but it will still grow the plants that you desire.
Yeah.
So I got 14 seeds. I sell them $2 per seed. Potted mix is $3 and the pots is $1. So I will have to buy 16 pots per seed. So pretty much the math is a little different since I have more seeds. But the more the seeds, the better, the more you could grow. I'll only start with just one for now. Choose one of your preferred. It could be tomatoes, cucumbers,
any kind of
anything.
food.
It could be sunflowers,
It
flowers.
Can be corn.
Anything that once you get them to root,
Yeah.
you'll be able to pot them one seed per pot. What I just did there is douch the seeds in the paper, not as much, but just enough. And I probably would do that for a day-to-day basis, as long as the paper towel is moist. It's better.
Yeah.
Once it dries, you make sure you keep it moist. So I do at least once a day, 1 to 2 squirts. Probably take a week for them to generate roots. And it's when they do, I would take each and every seed one by one and pot them in each pot.
There. I think that's enough water.
And I'll sell each seed for $2 or more or less. I just prefer how much you would like to invest in this project. Alright, once the seed starts to root, I will upload a second video of me adding the soil to the pots and placing the seeds one by one, root down first. And then I will proceed with another video when they start producing leaves, stems, and so on.
And petals.
So if you like what I'm trying to explain, it's a little different from what I have on the paper. I was estimating there would be 6 seeds in the pack. You could always find potted soil for a lot less than Dollar Trees, Dollar General. I got mine for Walmart. Pots, same place. Dollar General, Walmart would be best bet. They have a lot of quantities, a lot of size and colors of your preference.
Yeah.
But once you start doing the math on the seeds,
Yeah, we're gonna do it.
and the costs of the seeds, potting soil, and pots,
Yeah, we're gonna make
you
watermelon.
have to subtract how much you're gonna sell per seed towards the cost of the items.
And this is what we're making.
So far we have watermelons we're gonna start off with. If you like and subscribe and comment, we will.
And hit that bell. You can probably tell a comment to make another video and then we do it.
That's right. So I hope you understand what the process that we came through and with. I will reply to your comments if you have any questions. Yes, this is our first video. Alright, Junior, say bye.
Bye. Bye, DS fans.